Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to today's market update. So yesterday's major mover was the US dollar strengthening at about 2 p.m. local Singapore Malaysia time, and also during that same time as the US dollar was strengthening, we do see the gold prices dropping from 1,910 and it touched a low of about 1,868 at about 11 p.m. local Singapore Malaysia time. So that was a drop of about 40 US dollars for gold prices, and of course with the US dollar strengthening yesterday, we do see the UK pound dropping from a high of 1.3060 all the way down to 1.2912. So that was a 148 pip drop. Yeah. So I guess on a daily basis, these are the regular movements of currencies, the US dollar index, and also on gold prices. So again, the move happens at those critical times, 2 to 4 p.m. and also 7 to 9 p.m. Okay, so yeah, basically dollar strengthened on the lack of progress regarding the US financial stimulus, and of course we do see oil prices also dropping from about quite a high level. Yesterday, the highest point was at $39.08. It dropped all the way down to $37.11, going down about $2. Okay, so the US, the situation for oil prices, of course, dropping was mostly caused by the spike in COVID-19 cases, not only in the US but also globally, especially in European countries like Germany and also France. Okay, so with the spike in the cases, markets or investors are expecting more lockdowns to be re-implemented, and of course when lockdowns are implemented again, it will mean that less people will be traveling by cars, by public transportation and so on, and demand for energy and demand for oil will drop. Okay, so markets are already starting to price in that consequence, and therefore we do see oil prices moving down. Okay, so as we saw just now, US dollar finding support at 93.06 levels and moving up all the way to about 93.56 levels over the afternoon session, the UK market trading session, and leading up all the way to the US market trading sessions. Okay, so again, pretty straightforward move yesterday with the US dollar being extremely bullish. The UK pound was of course moving down 148 pips, and not to forget, the euro dollar also moved down from 1.1784 all the way to 1.1726. This was about let me have a quick look. Euro dollar. Okay, the move for the euro dollar wasn't that pronounced. It just moved down about 68 pips compared to the UK pound's 148 pip movement down. Okay, so yeah, so basically that was the move of the day, or the move of the week. And of course, gold prices, as mentioned just now, couldn't get past the resistance levels of 1,910 for the last few market days, and then after started to drop all the way down to 1,868 levels. Okay, before having some consolidation, and currently it is gone a bit quiet and gone into a consolidation phase. Last but not least, US equity indices. Again, with the lack of additional financial stimulus from the US, and with COVID-19 cases spiking, there are renewed concerns that the economic recovery in the US or even global economic recovery will suffer, and therefore we do see the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping yesterday. Okay, again it started to move at 2 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, from 27,336 levels all the way down to 26,519 levels. Okay, so yeah, so that has been the sentiment and movements for the equity indices, the US dollar index, UK pound, euro, and also gold prices. So today's economic calendar is just focusing on the European Central Bank's meeting at 8:45 p.m. and also their press conference at 9:30 p.m. I would say the major moves of the day will happen towards the evening sessions. Maybe it could start as early as 7 to 9 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. So I hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday with the big moves on the market, and stay alert for today. Watch out for the evening markets, and of course we still have another day, which is Friday tomorrow. So have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you.